Welcome to the Sykes & Company PA video blog.
A common theme in the industry today is, of course, poor cash flow. And while that may be true in a lot of pharmacies' cases, there's other pharmacies that don't have that problem. And why is there a difference there? And that's just a great question. There's a lot of differences there, but I can tell you that the ones we see that come through our door for RX assessment, which is pretty much where we take a third-party macro overview of their current accounting and tax situation, 7 out of 10 of them don't have an accounting system, don't have fundamental numbers. And therefore, they're not able to identify, they're not able to track and know how their cash flow is, where their cash is going, why their cash is the way it is. And with the current ratio, which is the liquidity ratio we track in pharmacies, we'd like to see that about 2.5 to 1. Higher is better, but 2.5 to 1, so that means about $2.50 of current assets, including cash, receivables, inventory, for every $1 of current debt. So that should be around 2.5 to 1 or higher. If it's below 2 to 1, you're clearly having some liquidity troubles. If you're below 1 to 1, you're going to have to do something drastic quickly to reverse that. But a lot of these folks that come in our door don't even know that current ratio, and if they do know that ratio, is it even accurate? Is it giving them, is the fundamentals they're pulling that information from, are those fundamentals there? Is there integrity in those numbers? And a lot of times, in a lot of cases, that answer is no. So I tell pharmacies that are having cash flow problems, you got to start with the fundamental accounting. You got to know you have solid data, solid fundamental information. You've got the right accounting method, accrual or cash. Hopefully accrual books there so you can see exactly where you stand on a macro basis. And then you can, once you have that good information, then you can identify the areas and then go to fix those areas. Whether it's payroll's too high, your margin's not where it should be, whatever the reason it is or reasons that there may be, you can identify and hopefully fix that. So I can tell you that is a common theme for poor cash flow pharmacies is the fundamental accounting is not there. The management is not there. You have to take control of your accounting. You have to take control of your pharmacy, and it begins with fundamental accounting. If you're serious about fixing your cash flow problem, being more profitable, and being successful, you got to manage your pharmacy better, and it's going to start with fundamental accounting. Once you've got that out of the way, then you can put your energy towards what it is you need to do to become profitable and successful in your pharmacy. So fundamental accounting is where it is.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.